Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video I'm going to make a seafood mix and fish head soup. The steps are easy as always, so let's head straight to the kitchen. And here is a run through of our ingredients. Here we have pumpkin, carrots, and potato. I already peeled and washed, and I'm going to cut those and set aside. At this point, I'm going to add all the vegetables along with water, salt, and garlic, and I'm going to allow it to boil while we work on the other ingredients. Here I have some celery and some leek, and I'm going to cut those also and put aside for later. Here I have some breadfruit slices. I'm going to cut those in cubes, bite size, and also put aside. And I also have some okra. It can be frozen or fresh. I'm going to cut those also for us to use later. Right along, here I have some fish head, and I'm going to remove the skins as shown and put aside. I already washed with lime and vinegar. Just be careful while doing this part, or that's just optional. I always like to remove the skins, especially with this fish. And I accidentally lose the clip where I add the breadfruits and stuff in the pot. So now I'm adding my okra and my seafood and my fish head. After adding all those ingredients, I'm going to stir thoroughly. Then cover and allow to cook. Then we'll go on to the last step. Here I'm back after around 5 minutes. I'm going to add my fish tea noodle, my scallion, thyme, and my Scotch bonnet pepper. After which I'm going to stir, cover and allow to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Then we can serve. And at this time, I want to take the time out to thank my returning subscribers for the continuous support. And if it's the first time you're stopping by, please subscribe before you go. And here we have it, guys, the finished product. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. And please give me a like, share me out, comment, save, turn your notification bell on. And as usual, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, guys. Bye.